Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ziyandamthereviewer and I'm back with another video. For today's video we are reviewing a wig, so thank you to Sterly Hair for sponsoring this video. So this is the hair, you guys. I'm already wearing it. This is a 13x6. It is a 20-inch wig and it is an HD lace. This is the package that the hair came in. So this hair is from Sterly Hair. It came with these lashes as well, and also let's open this. Also came with these adjustable straps over here. So these straps, you can use it if you want to make your wig like sort of like a glueless. If you don't want to put glue, you can put these in your wig, and yeah, then the wig will be a glueless wig. So definitely this is a must-have. You can put glue on this and you can sort of like make it a glueless wig as well, but I have glued it on. This is what I did to the hair and this is how it looks, you guys. So this is a 20-inch. Oh child, this wig is giving. It is giving. I'm also going to show you the inside of the wig so that you guys can see how the inside of the wig is. And yeah, I think let's go straight into the installation of the hair. Let me show you how I installed this baby. This is how it looks, child. Look at this. Look at the flow. Look at the flow of the hair, child. Okay, before I forget, for those of you who want this wig, I'll definitely link to their website in my description box, so make sure that you check it out. If you want this wig, definitely check out my description box. It will be there. I think there's also a discount over there, so make sure that you check out my description box if you would love this wig. Without no further ado, let's go.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does me like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. All day long. Your love is one in a
fuel feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an every single time we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away.